just that you never be lonely.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Turnovet, and to my old subscribers, welcome back guys. How you doing? And I would like to say Happy New Year guys. Yes, two of my subscribers, I was asking in my previous video when I was revealing these ring lights. Yes, if you've not watched it, I'll put the link down in the description box somewhere in the card. Yeah, so I asked the question about the New Year greeting. Like, will you be greeting Happy New Year till the end of January, or is it first week of January or second week of January? I don't know. So two of my personal people on my YouTube channel, one person said you can greet till the end of January. The other person said it's still March. So I don't know, I'm confused, but I think I'll just do Happy New Year till the end of January. Yes, because it's the new year. Okay, so in today's video, before we start that, have you subscribed yet? No? Please click on the subscription button, yeah, and also turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Yes, so let's get started. In today's video, I've not done beauty like skincare for a while, like trying new products for a while. Yeah, because I've not really seen something I want to try on my skin yet. So today we are going to be doing some experiments, but this one's just natural. Yes, I am not liking the way my skin looks like right now. Yeah, I'm having some, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm having some small hairy. Yeah, I don't like that. So we are going to do that together. So I'm going to like change this color. Not the color sharp, but just like give myself a little bit pamper, you know, like just to glow a bit. So we are going to, the ingredients we're going to use, just sugar and coffee. Yes, Nescafe. Yes, we'll mix them together. Yeah, so we are going to remove all this. Yeah, sorry guys, we're going to remove all this because this is not sexy. No, it's not sexy. Okay, so I don't have the Nescafe in my house because the coffee my husband is drinking is different, so I don't want to use that one. So I better use Nescafe. Yeah, so we're going to go out and get some Nescafe, then we'll come back and we'll start the journey. Yeah, but when we are back, by then I've removed this, or I don't know yet. Either I remove this or we'll remove it together in the restroom. I don't know. All right, so let's go. This is what I am wearing. Let's go and buy the coffee, but first of all we need money. How much did they sell? 50. Okay, give me 200. Oh, all of them. How much be all of them? Yes, I'm back. So guys, I'm back. So here I have this teaspoon. Then I have sugar. I took 4 teaspoons of sugar. Then the coffee, I bought the whole row. I bought one for 15 naira. So I bought the whole row, and which that's all I used. Not only one, but more than one. Yes. Yeah. So this is what the mixture looks like. I'm gonna stand up so I'll show you guys. Okay, yes. It's just black and jelly. I changed the spoon. added water inside because I'm going to rub it on my body. So I'm just wearing this outfit on my stomach. Yeah. And we also need this guys. I used to buy it plenty. This is the one I'm using. I'm using this one. I'm going to enter inside the bathroom and we'll get started. So guys, I'm just showing you guys my legs. Then I'm using water to rinse it out. Then I'll apply my shower gel on my leg. Yes. Then I'm going to use the shaving stick to shave out all the hairs from my leg. Yeah guys, that's what I am doing. I'm going to repeat the process and make sure like I remove every hair from my leg, and I'm going to do this to all my whole body, but I'm just going to show you guys my leg and my hands. Yes, I rinsed it, then I went back again. I saw some hairs that has not gone up. I went back again and removed those unnecessary hairs. Yeah, so I'm doing that to the second leg. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So it's time for me to do the same thing to my hands. Like my hands, are you guys seeing the hair in my hands? I don't understand. Well, it has to go. So I am going, see, can't see the hairs. I have to remove everything. I know some of you guys will be like, no, you don't do this, but I was not really liking it. I looked like a man. My body looks like a man, so I needed it to look more feminine. No, yeah. So I just removed everything, and I wonder how long hair used to grow back. I think it takes maybe a month, 3 months. I don't know. See, it looks smooth now. And this one, see the hairs in this one, and see this one. See, so there's a big difference. So I'm done with that. Now I'm going to apply the mixture, our mixture. I will just rub them all over my body. The water I put was not, it was plenty, but I made sure that there was still the sugar was still on it, because the sugar, I needed that, you know, that hardness to, you know, scrub the whole thing, my body, like scrub everything. I didn't remove my ring, but anyway, my ring did not stain. So I left it for like 10 minutes and I came back and I'm rinsing it out. Yeah, I rinsed everything out. Then I'll see you guys later. So this is the finished result. Yeah, see how glowy I look like. See you, bye. So guys, I am back. I have finished bathing and I showed you guys my legs. I also applied it on my face. Yeah, I'm having some acne, black spots. I don't know. I think I'll do my turmeric. Yeah, I need to do that. That's the turmeric. I don't know if you have seen the video. I'm gonna put it here so you go check it out. I need to go back and do it. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this. To moisturize my face. I've been using this. This is my favorite face fat cleanser. Do you guys like my hair braided? Then I'll use also the cream. So I'm also going to use this. Wet lips. My lip balm is finished, so my lips a bit dry. And that's that, guys. Have you seen my giveaway video, like my giveaway for 1K subscription giveaway video? If not seen it, I'm going to put it in the description box of this video, or I'm going to put it in the card somewhere, so you go check it out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do me a huge favor and smash the subscribe button, yeah, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and also like, comment and share. So guys, have you tried this before, like the sugar coconut oil or olive oil or almond oil and coffee? Have you tried that before? Please let me know in the comment section. Yes, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam.